Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 7th of February 2023. We did an arm jive swizzle, a short backhander, tango thigh thrust and a windmill. If you need teaching information, there are clips for that and links to all of those in the description below, and now we'll show you how everything went together. So we started with the arm jive swizzle and it went like this. It went 7 and 8. Offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, look, return, return, look, turn, turn, look, return, thumb down for the short backhander, in, around, tango thigh thrust, in we go, push and push, square, push and push, square, push and push, prepare, turn, switch hands for the windmill, raise the right, raise the left, raise the right, raise the left and back. And that was the whole routine. Hope you find that a useful reminder. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.